Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are completely new to PowerPoint or you don't use it in a while, this video is for you. Today I will walk you through how to use PowerPoint in 2025, step by step, from opening your first slide to creating a stunning slideshow. And guess what? At the end of this video, we will design a fun example together, a hotel slideshow for best hotels in New York or Mumbai. So let's understand the PowerPoint and understanding the interface. So when you open PowerPoint, this is your home page. On the left, you will have the the recents, as you can see here. In the bottom, you will have your recent, and these are created with templates. And from here, you can create your own uh, blank presentation. So I'm using PowerPoint web version. If you talk about the application one, these tools are very similar in terms of basic, but I always recommend you to use application one because they have lots of features, but the web version lacks in uh, uh, features in terms of if you compare with the application. Now let's click on the blank presentation. So now let's understand the interface. In the top, this is a ribbon. In the top, this is a ribbon. All the tools, it has all the tabs like home, insert, design, draw, transition. And if you in the left, so you have a slide panel where, as you can see here, this is a slide panel. You will see your slides list here. Main area is this, where you design and where you customize everything. Notes, below your slide, you can add notes for speaking or extra information. Now let's slide basics and text tool. This is your first slide. It is title. Let's title your slide, which we are going to give name is first slide. Just click on this presentation option and give the name of your file first. And if you want to give the location, you can give that too and hit enter. So it will save it. Now, so if you see in the main, you will get to see this two option, which is title and click to add subtitle. So I will add your first title, which is welcome to my first presentation. The title is too big, so I will just do welcome to my presentation. So if you want to adjust the font, what you have to do is just select that, and from here you can choose the font. I will choose this one. I think this one looks good. And yeah, you can choose uh, your loved font for clean design. Now you can adjust font size, bold, italics or underline as well. For example, if I want to give boldness to my text, I can give through here. Just click on that, and I want to make my title italic, I can make that too. Just click on this italic, and if I want to give the text underline, I can give as well too. Now if I want to change color of my font, just simply click on this arrow. Now from here you can change select color on based on your needs. What I will choose, I will just set black color. Now you can also change font color, as I said. Now let's add one more slide in your slide layout. What you have to do is just simply go in the left and hit right click. In the over here you will get to see this new slide, and click over here. Now as you can see here, we have created a new slide. Now here you can add titles and give some bullet points. For example, why use PowerPoint. So this is a headline. And now what I will do, I will just go into chat box, chat GPT, and why should we use PowerPoint give bullet points. So just copy this text, and I'll copy this things. So he has given me lots of bullet points, so I can add bullet points in the second slide. So this is cool to give first welcome to my presentation, and there is you can press enter for now a bullet point. For example, just select all and hit enter, and I think it's not working in the web version, but if you are in the application one, you can create bullet points something like this. Now let's insert images and shapes and icons. For I will do what I will do, I'll just simply click on uh, I will create new slide as well. Just simply click on new slide. Now over here I will choose insert picture from device and click that. Now you have to choose the image. Now I will choose this one and click on the open, so it will insert that image into your slide. Now, so what is PowerPoint logo, and I will go in the Google and search for PowerPoint logo in the form of PNG. So go into images, search for that, and add that into your slide. You can just put it over here, or you can just drag and drop your photos as well. So if you want to, like, you can arrange that as well. So for example, you can bring in front, you can bring forward as well. So you can give a shape to your image from here. You can choose your image style as well. So yeah, I will choose this one. Yeah, you have lots of option in the style, like you have a frame, you have a model frame, and then if you want to add more images, you can add that too. And if you want to crop this image, you can crop uh, that image too as well. As you can see here, just simply crop it. So that's cool. I mean, like, you can also insert icons. In To insert the icon, you have to click on the insert, and you will get to see in the top icon, and choose icon over here. Now from here you can search lots of icon. For example, I will search for pen. Your search did not match any content, please try another. So what I will do is just pick this random one, flight one, and insert it. So yeah, you can also insert icons. You can search for idea, laptop, or whatever fits your slides. So yeah, you can shapes, you can add shapes as well. Click shapes, again go into insert and click on the shapes, and from here you can select shape as well, like shapes, lines, rectangles, basic shapes, so block arrows, equation shapes. So they have lots of option. Then yep, now let's talk about design and transition. Now this looks very bad, so what I will do, I will just go into design and click on the design, and the right side you will get to see this designer. So click on that, so it will generate automatic design for you. So it's pretty cool. For example, what is PowerPoint logo? This is what I meant. This is cool. I mean, like, you can arrange, you can see more design ideas. So yeah, that's what I wanted. So you can customize as well. Now for slide transition, what you have to do is just simply click on this transition, and for example, I want to give this photo and a transition. Just choose fade or merge or cut or push or swipe. So what I will do is just simply click on the cut, or no, I will choose merge, and I will choose merge for this as well. I will choose merge for this as well. Now from here you can give a duration as well, how much the second you want to have this animation on your image, you can customize that too. Now if you click on this apply to all, it will apply to all. So just click that and it will apply to all of those things. As you can see here, click on the design. So look at the designs, it's pretty good. So the way it's like something is bad happening over here, so it will load because this is little heavy. So that design was taking lots of time, so I have chosen this uh, default one. Now so we have created animation already, as we know, and if you now let's give the animation and multimedia. Now click on any element which I have given you. Now just simply click on the animation tab and choose the image or text, for example this one. So I can give this animation here. Okay, give me preview. So it will give me a preview. So you can time animation and record them as well, so it taking lots of time. So just click on the exit, and from here you can give duration as well. There's delay, there should be no delay. I think start with one click. So you can customize lots of things in here. So if you want to, for example, if you want to add a background music into it, what you have to do is just simply click on the insert and click on the audio. Now you have to choose audio. For example, I don't have the audio, I will choose this one. So this one, it will take okay, it's too big, so you can just upload it and put it over here. Now it's ready to see. Now you can click on the presentation to see what kind of presentation we made. So click on that. So it's like it's smooth, it's not that bad. So we have given the animation to text, so it's taking a time. So we don't set the time at that point of time. What, and click each one, as you can see here. So yeah, that's great. I mean, like, for the first time it's good. So now you can create your own presentation as well. For example, if I give the animation between these slides, can I give that, add a section? Okay, can I give, okay, I think I'm not able to see. So what I will do is just go into animation and select the whole thing. Okay, I cannot give the animation between slides. So yeah, so you can make things on your requirement. So you have to play with this, and I have given all the basic information related to PowerPoint. You can create a basic PowerPoint presentation with the help of this tutorial, and that's how you use PowerPoint in 2025, from the first slide to creating an entire presentation like a beginner level. Hope this tutorial helped you to out. If you like this presentation, then comment down below. So yeah, if you found this presentation or tutorial helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.